guys, welcome in another video. Hello, sorry. Good morning. How are you?
Okay, I wanted
That one should keep. Allora, what we are doing today, we are trying a test. We're gonna make full all our bags and trying to cycle to see how we feel. So here we have my wear. Here we have my hair pannier. Some our wear there, and in the other rooms I'm gonna show you right now. Da-dun, da-dun, da-dun. And then here we have our panniers, couple of panniers, and here we're gonna make all full. These are mine and these are sorry bags, and then here we have the mat saddlebag. So basically we left 1 and 2, so 2 bags per person, half, not half empty. So you may ask why you left half empty. Just because we want to carry the food, so we need a half empty. So now we're gonna put some
cream.
sun
Cream.
because it's a sunscreen cream. So now we're gonna go to try the drone and see how it looks like the view, because we want to take a picture from the top and show all the bags that we have, everything in a flat picture if we can. I hope we can, because Sori is hoping to get this picture for a long time. So everything is ready. Are you happy? Yes. Look, we did it. Happy? Giulio. Let's try to fly the drone. Okay, turn on this one. We're gonna try to put all the stuff in the bag. So let's see what happens. Why is white? I don't know how we throw away this. This is all our old parts. So now this bike is ready. Sorry, let's have a I think this one I have to stay opposite. You hit here. Try. Try to go there and back here.
Oh, hi.
So now is my turn. Let's try and see how is the space shuttle. Okay, so basically now I'm touching there. Feel it quite heavy on the front. I crashed here. Alright. Allora, so we are trying the bicycle. Work well. I don't understand a couple of things that I'm gonna show you later, like the front rack and the frame is a bit flexible. Do you think it's normal? I hope so. So the gear, 10 gears are really helpful. Thanks for the 10 gear, because Without the 10 gears, a person uphill is impossible, really impossible. So now we are in One Tree Hill. We're gonna go a little bit up. Let's see how it works. Come. Okay. And there we are. Okay, sorry, it's died. So we finally try the 10 gear. And try the 10 gear as well. Because we have the bicycle in the same stop. Take a breath, so don't worry. Drink slowly. And well, so as I said before, I don't like here. There is this one I really don't like because there is a little flexion here, and also make everything not balanced. So now we try to arrive to the summit over there, and I try maybe, sorry, we should take a rest here, and let's see what will happen. Let's see how it works, the GoPro, because I'm really curious if I can use the GoPro. So from now start the real uphill. Very windy. Sorry, el punto. Sorry is the point somewhere. It's time for the downhill. Oh. Just one. So we are in One Tree Hill. So it's here. We took a couple of pictures. Okay, really amazing. Match. Oh, everything match. Okay, so orange with her bike. So we finish our first test ride. If you like the video,
구독해주세요.
thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one. Now it's time for the downhill. Cheers.